What's up guys, thanks for coming back for part 2 of the ABS pump. This is going to be the install video, so Rich is going to be doing the install, bleeding the brakes, that kind of jazz. With Bradley today, he's going to be carrying the thing for me, so just on our way to get a bus. Yeah, we're going to be the bus. So yeah. So yeah, on the way to get a bus down to where Rich's works, RKO Automotive, and yeah, we'll do the install.
Candy, give money, making the greenback.
So, I haven't been on a bus in a very long time, and I don't plan on being on a bus any longer. This is a one-off, just a one-off, never again. Basically guys, I got this little idea that I want your involvement in. I've come out of a little thing that we can do weekly. Now, what I want you to do is basically email the email below all of your like a couple of pictures of like your car or your mate's car or something like that, because I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna like tear them apart, so obviously the weird and the wonderful would be good, and that would be funny. It's gonna be called Blake Rates. So yeah, again, email down below, email me a couple of pictures with your name and that, and then I'll obviously I'll do an episode and yeah, get the pictures of the cars up and I'll rate them. Just an idea. If I don't get a lot of entries, then I won't do it. But if you've got a car, or your mate's car, looks like an absolute wagon, or if you found one on the internet that you just want me to rate, send it in.
And here we have Postman Blake delivering his brand new ABS pump.
I'm knackered, man. Been walking for ages.
He says that he's been carrying all the light shit.
ABS pump weighs a ton, man. What's up guys, so just turned up at RKO Automotive, here to obviously do the pump install, turn it up. I see this little gem out, looks exactly like mine, the Mont Bleu 135i, don't know whose car that is, but shout out to you, good choice. Here's the baby. Oh, she looks sorry for herself.
Hanging.
Thinking about doing a big like detail on this car, so there is one person in mind. See if he's going to be available, and hopefully do a couple of like videos, a series of obviously doing a full detail on the car, ready for summer, loads of swirl marks and stuff like that over the winter. So yeah, definitely needs doing.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly
Fucking hell. Well, just turned my fucking car around, and I've just, because obviously the ABS pump's been taken out, don't have any brakes, went straight to a fucking post and just cracked my bloody bumper, no? Wait.
Yes, more money.
I haven't driven it in a while, so obviously like...
That's been out for a while.
Yeah.
I've already got a clear. That's so fucking out.
Isn't it?
That's like, that's like as bad as it fucking gets.
No canvas yet, it's all good. Let's see what it's putting out at the moment. What's the number?
About 12.
Oh. Sweet. Giving us a bit of juice while he's working on it. Yeah. Okay guys, so basically Rich is currently bleeding the brakes, going to go and do every corner, and then when all the corners are done, should be it, isn't it Rich? Hopefully. Good angle, Dad. Good angle. I know. And then we get Kevin in. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's all done now. Basically Rich has found a couple more things that obviously need doing with it. So I need 2 new tyres for the front, so that's going to be done. So I've ordered those. And new discs and pads they need doing, so obviously I'm going to do that ASAP. So yeah, one more time, big thanks to Rich at RKL for sorting me out again. We'll be here shortly again with some more stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Right guys, Blake's making me walk home. Now he's following me.
So yeah, a lot of videos coming up for you guys. Thanks for obviously bearing with. Again, shout out to all my subscribers, all the new guys. Gotta give a shout out to a couple of you guys. A couple of special mentions. Okay, the Instagram people for shout outs are XX11MBO, shout outs to you, AX_Thompson, and Dan HDD. Shout out to you three boys. You've been getting me a few shout outs on Instagram. Really do appreciate the help, boys. So if any of you guys want to get a shout out on social media in the future, just either write down a comment below saying you want a shout out, just say hi, you know, any interaction, and I will interact with you and I'll put you in my videos. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to me, and yeah, we'll keep up to date with the Be It Blakes. Thanks for watching.